In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text into uppercase using a simple formula inside your spreadsheet. This is a very useful trick, especially when you want your data to look clean, consistent, and more professional without retyping everything manually. Before we begin, make sure the text you want to change is already entered in one of your cells. Once everything is ready, take a moment to focus on where you want the uppercase result to appear, because this step is important for keeping your original text unchanged. Start by selecting the cell where you want the uppercase text to appear. After selecting it, double-tap on that cell so you can begin typing. When the keyboard shows up, type equals upper. As you type this, you will notice that a suggestion appears at the top showing the word upper. Tap the word upper from that suggestion list to select the function correctly. After choosing the function, you now need to tell the spreadsheet which text you want to convert. To do that, tap the cell that contains the text you want to change into uppercase. This connects the formula to the original text, allowing the function to work properly. Once the correct cell is selected, take a second to check that everything looks right on the formula line. When you are confident that the correct cell is included, tap the green check on the right side to confirm the formula. Right away, you will see the text appear in all capital letters inside the cell you selected earlier. The original text stays the same, while the new cell displays the uppercase version automatically. This method is especially helpful when working with names, labels, or any data that needs consistent formatting. If you ever update the original text, the uppercase version will update as well, saving you time and effort. If you want to apply this to other text entries, you can repeat the same process for each cell or copy the formula as needed, depending on your layout. Taking advantage of formulas like this can greatly improve how efficiently you work with spreadsheets. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.